next question is, how is the transition happening is, how you see the changes in the last 2 years, gold versus diamond jewelry? Because I have seen some of your beautiful diamond jewelry necklaces and designs also. How is the trend is happening now? Because of late, what happened, what I have seen, it's from gold also. A lot of people are now in the south side also buying, including diamond jewelry also into their wedding purchases and or daily, lightweight item jewelries and everything. How does it happen, and what kind of people are these people buying these kind of jewelry, and which are the customers? What are the customers' profile?
So I told you, I'm repeating it in a different way. See, since about 15 years, people, and also especially the ladies of the family, the children who are getting married, they keep asking their parents, telling their parents.
Yes.
See, they have, according to their financial status, some people buy 500 grams, some people buy 1 kilo, some people 2 kilos, depending on their financial status. So, average and lower middle class, they don't have the this thing. They don't have the free mind to buy the diamonds. So those who cannot afford, they buy a portion, one piece. They started buying one piece. The next order, instead of buying when she's getting married, instead of one piece for their elder sister, they started buying 2 pieces. Like that, 20 to 25% of the total jewelry they bought, now they are buying diamond jewelry. They know it is a part of the is equal to the diamond jewelry, but it should have a proper selection, should be proper, and also the quality should also be perfect. That's what they see. North, here, and south, that qualities are entirely different. North, they're going for any kind of carats. I mean, purity. Purity, they don't have the E from starts with D, E, F, G. They don't mind buying G, H, I. They don't mind. Here in South, they are very much particular. Either it should be E or F. That's what they are. See, this is the 53rd day since the market. All the markets food in India, everywhere is slow. This is the 53rd day.
Yes.
During this period, there are a lot of problems. Not only the jewelry industry, but most of the industries, business are all closed. Nobody can predict anything about the future. But I have my strong belief that even during these last 53 days, people are asking, inquiring what about the availability of the jewelry, gold. They are very much attached to the business and not the jewelry. Not because of that, it's a part of the dowry. See, it's few years back, people say it is a part of dowry. You shouldn't give like that. Stop it, the system. Some people followed it, some people didn't follow it. The followed people are now says that I have made a small blunder. See, during my future, I have to give the gold. I haven't given any gold. A little bit of gold only I have given to my daughters. Now they are suffering. See, and the other people who has given the gold say, see, they are very much thankful for me. They even ask me, even now they ask me, you have given me so much of jewelry. That is a gift. It's a gift from the God. Like we treat it as a gift from the God. So whenever we need for the future of the business, future of the children, for their education, whenever somebody in physical problems, this gold only helped them. So within about an hour, the money was transferred, the jewelry was converted into cash. It was help our physical problem, and also our children's education problem was also solved without any asking anybody's support. We managed. This is only because of the jewelry given during my wedding. That is the word transferred to their parents. Those who are not accepted the jewelry, they are very much sorry. We should have accepted it. It is it's not a dowry. It's not a part of the dowry. It is for the future of our children and also our physical problem. It helped
Like
a
an
lot.
investment.
Even
It's a
that is the
lifeline. Yeah, it's a lifeline. It's like an investment.
Yeah.
That's what it is.
Even
So-
now, people, those who have some kind of saving, they one portion is kept apart for their for gold or bullion or coin. Whenever they need it, they convert it into, within no time they can convert it to cash
Yes.
for
yes.
their needs.
Absolutely.
That is what that is why they believe, they trust, they have faith in gold. And also
Yes.
now, since about 15 years back, there is no hope in Kerala. I'm talking about Kerala. Nobody has heard about diamond. Now the people have started thinking of
Yes,
diamonds.
that-
They started buying the diamond jewelry also. They started with those who are buying about 50 sovereigns, that is 400 grams of gold. The daughter says, Papa, why don't you purchase a diamond product from us? We haven't seen it, we have heard it. People say big stories about diamond. Say, give me a portion of that, a small piece or a small necklace, whatever it is.